Hello, amateur meteorologists. Try saying that fast. Mrs. Latcham here. So today your lesson is to collect and log some weather data. You've got a website to link onto, and the Weather for Schools website has got all sorts of bits and pieces and which you can explore, but on this particular page, which is in website information and contents files, you've got two options on spreadsheets which they've set up for you, either a basic and an intermediate. Don't worry about advanced. So take your pick out of one of those. Here's one that I've set up earlier. This one, for example, is the intermediate one. So for the last 4 days, I've been logging data onto here. So the information that it's asking for is the maximum temperature in a day, the minimum temperature, the current temperature, wind direction, wind strength or speed, and rainfall on that day, and snow. The basic spreadsheet is more basic. Let's make it bigger so you can see. You've just got temperature and rainfall. Now what you notice here is that it's creating your graphs for you. So you've got a line graph here for temperature, and further down a bar graph there for rainfall. On the intermediate one, you've got the average data down there, down underneath your data collection, and then minimum and maximum temperatures, current temperatures, look at those peaks and troughs, highs and lows, then rainfall, and wind speed and wind direction. Sorry, that's showing wind direction. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so easy as anything. You need to populate your graph, as it's called, your spreadsheet, by logging the data that you collect. Okay, you can add a header in there and set the location and the date for whenever you've started. Now, of course, you can look out the window. And of course, you can make a homemade rain gauge, which that same website I think has also got information on. If not, then a quick check on Google tells you how to make a rain gauge. Otherwise, you're looking at your phone. So most phones have an app that will show you the weather. And my phone says in Bristol today, we've got, is that in focus? Yep. It's currently raining. We've got 90% chance of more rain at 3 o'clock, 100% chance of rain at, sorry, not at 3 o'clock, gone past 3 already, 4 o'clock. Don't get your temperatures and your times muddled up as I just have. So all along here you can scroll along to see what the temperatures and the rainfall is going to be. Then for me, this is on an iPhone, it takes information from the Weather Channel. If you scroll down past the week ahead, the outlook for the week ahead, it'll give you a weather forecast summary. So today it's rain currently. Oh yes, it is. And the high will be 16 degrees. There's going to be showers tonight with a low of 13 degrees. It tells you sunrise and sunset. It tells you the average chance of rain for the day, humidity for the day. It tells you the wind direction and the wind speed, all in one bit of information, and what the temperature feels like. On a very windy day, what do you think the temperature will feel like? Colder or hotter? What do you think? That's the precipitation, so the rainfall, what it will equate to if it were measured in centimetres. Okay, and those pressure bars, visibility, so if it was a very foggy day, that would be lower visibility. The UV index, which when that's higher, you need to definitely be putting sunscreen on. It's quite low today. And the air quality index. Okay, so you populate your spreadsheets, and I want you to be doing that a little bit each day. You've got loads more space than a week's worth, so just go ahead, keep it updated. Why not? You might look back on it as a memory of lockdown. Okay, good luck with that.